Welcome to Notary Public Underwriter's All Things Notary channel. In this episode, we're going to tell you what Errors and Omissions insurance covers and what it doesn't. You do everything right. You verify the ID, complete the certificate, check every field. But mistakes happen even to careful, experienced notaries. And when a mistake leads to a legal claim, the question isn't just whether you were wrong, it's whether you're protected. That's where Errors and Omissions insurance comes in, known as E&O insurance. It's one of the most practical tools a notary can have because of its knowledge of simple truth. No one is perfect, and the legal system doesn't grade on effort. What is E&O insurance? E&O insurance is a type of professional liability coverage designed to protect you when a client claims your work caused them harm, even if the mistake was unintentional. For notaries, that might mean an error on a notarial certificate, a misstep in a verification process, or a procedural oversight that leads to a disputed document. It's important to understand what E&O insurance is not. It isn't a bond, which is a separate requirement in many states that protects the public, not you. E&O insurance is specifically designed to protect you, the notary, from the financial consequences of a claim. What does E&O insurance cover? If someone files a legal claim against you for a notarization error, E&O insurance can cover the cost of your legal defense, even if the claim turns out to be without merit. Legal fees alone can run into the thousands of dollars before a case ever reaches a resolution. Beyond defense costs, depending on the terms of your policy, E&O insurance may also cover settlements or judgments reached as a result of the claim, as well as court fees and other related expenses. For most notaries, it's the legal defense coverage alone that makes the policy worth having, because defending yourself, even successfully, is expensive. What E&O insurance doesn't cover? E&O insurance is designed for honest mistakes, not deliberate ones. If a claim arises from intentional wrongdoing, fraud, or criminal behavior, your policy won't protect you. The same applies to negligence that involves knowingly violating your state's notary laws, or a pattern of grossly careless mistakes that suggest a disregard for proper procedure. Think of it this way: E&O insurance is your backup plan for when things go wrong despite your best efforts. It was never designed as a safety net for cutting corners. How to choose the right coverage? E&O policies for notaries vary widely. Coverage limits typically range from $25,000 on the lower end to well over $100,000 for more comprehensive policies. And premiums vary based on the level of coverage and the provider. When evaluating your options, start by honestly assessing your workload and the types of transactions you handle most often. A notary completing a handful of general notarizations each month has different needs than one closing real estate transactions daily. Match your coverage to your actual exposure, not just the cheapest option available. It's also worth understanding exactly what is and isn't covered, and whether there are deductibles. When in doubt, ask. E&O insurance won't make you a better notary. What it will do is make sure that one honest mistake doesn't derail everything you've built. In a profession where the details matter and the stakes can be high, that kind of protection isn't a luxury. For most working notaries, it's just good sense. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more notary content, and visit our website for online notary education courses, bonds, insurance, and supplies.